As concerns linger about how long it took JPS to restore power to sections of the island in the aftermath of Hurricane Beryl, the company is highlighting improvements in its systems.
During Beryl and the restoration, you may have had a leaning pole, but the lights were up. At the time, our focus was just to get the lights back on. We are now going through and addressing some of those leaning poles because you can have sagging conductors that can then also be problematic. That's just one example of what we're going through. That work continues, and it's of such importance that we have brought in external resources from other areas in the Caribbean to augment our internal crews so we can execute on this body of work in a safe and timely fashion.
President and the Chief Executive Officer of the Jamaica Public Service JPS, Hugh Grant, says the company is also working to ensure a consistent and reliable power supply.
JPS will be investing about 17 billion Jamaican dollars on infrastructure improvements to help with reliability of our grid. This is more than 20% of what it did in previous years. This investment will include reinforcement of our power lines, replacement of poles, and expansion also of smart grid technology. This technology will further give us visibility into our grid to facilitate more timely response and to move along.
Mr. Grant was speaking last night at an awards dinner hosted by the Montego Bay Chamber of Commerce and Industry.